Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here this morning with Dad, my old man. He wanted to come out here and do some sheepshead fishing. This morning we woke up and it was actually 42 degrees this morning. So why not? I always told you, when it's cold weather, might as well come out here and search for these sheepshead. So that's what we're about to do. We went ahead and dug up some mud crabs. Let me show you what we have. Some nice mud crabs in there. The tide is going out. It's low tide, but that's okay. We'll be here once the tide turns around. So hopefully the bite gets better. So guys, stay tuned, and I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, got my first mud crab. Using the same thing as usual. 20-pound mono, 15-pound Power Pro. Today I'm using my Penn Spin Fisher 3500, and that's on my St. Croix rod. So let's go ahead and let's dip it right here, right in front. You guys know when I come out here, I don't cast out too far. I stay as close as possible to the rocks. All right, guys, got the first one. Man, he's pulling hard too. Hey, he's a keeper. There you go, guys, my first cast. I got the first keeper. He's a nice one too.
Oh, God.
Look how nice he is. No, I didn't bring the net. All right, let's put the rod down. And look at this bad boy. He's about 15, 16 inch. All right, guys, check him out. First cast. No, this is about 15, 16. He is 15 inches. He's 15 inches. Nice. Let's put him in a box. Okay, let's try it again. I'm using a size 2 octopus hook. There goes my mud crab. There he goes. Let's try it again. Told you guys, stay close to the rocks. That's where they're hiding. What was that? Maybe like 5 feet in front of me. Trancalo, close it a little bit. All right, I got that on. No, the reel. No, you got to close it. He's gonna get you. You're gonna get cut in the rocks. There he goes. Nice keeper. That's like another 15. Another 15 inch, it looks like. All right, this is Dad's fish. Nice one.
Daddy.
He's about 15, maybe 16.
No. 17 I give it. 17.
He is 16 and a half.
Come on, try to steal.
Check it out, guys. 16 and a half. Nice.
See? Right now.
Good job, man. All right, guys, you already saw it. My first cast, 15 inch sheep's head. My dad's second cast, 16 and a half. You gotta come out here when it's cold. I said that we woke up this morning, it was 42 degrees. And this is low tide and we're still catching them. All right, so that's another one. It's about 13, 14. All right, guys, he's 14.
Huh?
He's 14, right on. Nice. Good job. That's the second one. Okay, I'm going with a bigger mud crab. It's a little bit bigger. Bait, the bigger the fish. Let's see. Okay, the bite has slowed down big time. We've gone maybe about almost 10 minutes without a single bite now. think it's a slack tide. It's not moving or anything, so I'm guessing that once this tide turns, starts coming in, the bite it'll start getting hot again. They'll start feeding. But we're not quitting just yet. Oh, see? Told you. Just had a good bite. He took it from me. Yep. Man, he yanked it. Alright. You crab. Let's see if he comes back. That was a good hit. Just talking about it. Dang it. Haven't gotten a bite in like 10 minutes. And boom. I get slammed real quick. Ooh, got him. He's small. He's small, but he's fighting. There he goes. I tell you what, guys. It's been like 30 minutes. I haven't had a bite. Me and my dad actually sat down. We had some lunch. And had a Gatorade. So now we're recharged, refuel. And this is the first fish I get. Alright, I think I got another bite. Nope, he took it. Yep, he took it. I did have a bite. Just wasn't quick enough. I'm using the smallest little mud crab. I mean, they're tiny. Here's little dude. You know what? They're hitting the smaller baits a lot faster than the medium-sized ones and the larger ones. All right, the tide's changed. It's an incoming tide now. It's coming in pretty strong because as soon as I drop my bait, if I drop it over here to the right away, it's just shooting across. So I might have to put another split shot on. I'm about to leave. The bite shut down completely. Nothing's going on. I thought with this tide turning, and now it's an incoming tide, I thought the bite was going to turn on, but there's nothing going on. Nothing at all. So I'm going to have to call it quits. But that's okay. You know, between me and my dad, we have three keepers. He caught 2, I caught 1. We did catch a couple of small ones. So, but yeah, this morning the bite was on fire. I mean, as soon as I got here, my first cast, I got that nice 15-inch. Then my dad's second cast, he got that 16, what was it, 16 and a half, something like that. But you know, it's all good. You know, I spent some time with my dad out here. He was upset the last time I came fishing on my, you know, like my last video, caught all those sheep's head, and he was pretty upset that I didn't invite him. So I knew the weather's gonna still be cold, so I went ahead and brought him today, and he's happy. He got some fish, you know. He's gonna take it home, either eat it for lunch or eat it for dinner. And yeah, that's what it's about, you know, staying out here with your dad or your mom or your, you know, your kids, just being out here with your loved ones and watch some catch fish and have a good time is perfect, you know. So I'm happy that he caught some fish. All right, guys, I'm on the other side of the bridge now. I'm on the Tampa side. I have some live maharas and some mud minnows. So I'm gonna try this little area here for some mangrove snapper, see if they in here. I gotta show you guys what I got. Hold on a minute. All right, guys, let me show you what I got. This is my new bait bucket. It's the I don't know, fry bill or free bill. This is the 13 quart. I got this for Christmas and I still haven't used it. This is my first time using it, actually. Let me show you the inside. Watch this. All the bait. Some maharas, and like I said, I think those are grubs or mud minnows or something like that. That water's still nice and cold in there. But yeah, this is my my new toy. Like I said, I got it for Christmas. It's the first time using it, and so far so good. I had it, but he's stuck on a rock. Ah. Okay, everyone, we're done fishing. We had a great morning. As soon as we got there, I mean, the bite was on. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little fishing video with me and my dad. If you did, please shoot me a thumbs up. For you new guys that haven't yet, please subscribe.